Hello, everybody. Brian from QuantLabs.net. Today's Remembrance Day. Don't forget about those veterans that fought for our freedoms and all that fun stuff on November. As I said, I did this last Monday. The markets were completely in a reset mode. So we've got our excellence scores here. Let's check them out. Australia, Japan yen is a long. Got a bit of ramp. Europe against Japanese yen, that's a long. Europe against Swiss franc is a long as well. USD against CHF is a long. Funny enough, oil is going up. You can see here that affects the USD Canadian. That's a long as well. Now we're starting to see a Scandinavian. I haven't seen this in a while. Scandinavian currency with USD against the Swedish. Two longs there. So what does it say about these excellent scores? The market's back to where it should be. We have our safe havens in play. Australia, Europe, all either in Japanese yen or Swiss franc. That's what I'm used to seeing months ago. So things seem to be normalizing, but definitely more in a confirmed traditional way. Oil's going up, so obviously USD Canada is going to go up, that pair. And then this one a lot of people might not know about is the USD Swedish as well. So now let's look at some of the other excellent scores here. We have here silver and Swiss franc as an excellent score. That's a long. So that's an interesting one. That's gold and Swiss franc. Now, that's the only one I see so far. That would make sense from my point of view if you are, and again, this is a safe haven play, where gold, the most amount of reserves in the world is in Switzerland. So somebody's doing something here and saying something. Again, this is hot money flow. So there's a lining up of something coming. I don't know what it is, but somebody's seeing something. And when we're seeing these safe haven plays, here we got another excellent score of the USD CHF with a long in USD and China Yuan. And continuing along with the excellent scores. So as I said, we have two USD Swiss, and oddly enough, Swiss and Singapore dollar as well, because I mentioned that before. And then we continue along. We have our UK 10-year. Let's just get through this. A few shorts here. Let's see. I don't know how many we got here, but we're just looking at the excellent score. So as I said, we have the British 10-year. Before I forget on this, funny enough, if you don't find it excellent, the Treasury, the U.S. Treasury bond, that says something about the U.S. again. And a lot of people may not like to hear that, but the truth is it says something about overall how the rest of the world views the U.S. And if you don't see Treasury in there, that tells you there's not a lot of confidence there. But yet, they're willing to buy and load up on the 10-year bond from UK. So we got some more USD Canadian, some more USD Swiss franc, and actually USD in China. And again, we got a bunch of longs for the USD Swedish, actually 4. So that says something right there. As I said, we've got the gold in CHF, no other currency. Australia. Now this is where it gets very good. Okay, so it's changing now. Australia and Canada is very good. We got a few of those. Euro and Canada. So again, we're not seeing a lot of USD dollar. So the dollar is weakening. But you've got an idea as well. Now, here's the interesting one. Okay, so let me just show you what we have in the markets right now for the U.S. This is on Yahoo Finance. So right now we are very mixed. S&P 500 up 0.75%. Dow only up 0.25%. Nasdaq about 1.5%. And the Russell down 0.75%. Okay, so meanwhile gold is up 2.86, and that's major assets. As I said, we got gold up 2.8, gold negative 0.75%. Silver down 0.89, Euro USD 10-year bond, that's the Treasury, is down 1.44. So that should be, and that just says something right away about the Treasury and the confidence that whatever investors don't have a lot of confidence long term in the U.S. Again, as I said, we have the USD, Japanese yen's up, Bitcoin's up quite a bit actually. Well, 2.14 when you compare the rest. We also have the 200, the crypto 1.76. FTSE was up 139, and this is from yesterday, so this is really irrelevant. So it just confirms that I think a lot of people are scared of what's going on in the U.S. Maybe I don't know, because you have Joe Biden elect. Maybe not a lot of there's not a lot of clarity what's going on with the presidency right now. So continuing along, we have a few longs here for the USD Hungarian. Again, remember this is very good rating. USD Japanese yen. Funny enough, we have the USD Mexico, two of those. USD Norway, I'd expect to see two of those. And now we get into gold again. So we have two, well, actually it's mixed. Gold and Canada. Definitely two longs for gold in Swiss franc. So that's the currency you want to hold gold in. Gold in euro is still a long. Gold in British pound still good. Hong Kong dollar still good. Japanese yen. Funny enough, I shouldn't say gold. I'm talking about silver. But look at this. I'm not seeing any, no longs for XAG, which is silver, and US dollar. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have, okay, so forget that, what I was just about to say. So now gold, I'm not going to bother looking at these. And that's it. That's it for the very good. So I've given you the excellent, I've given you some of the excellent and very good ratings. So I'm going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching. If you got any comments, just comment away. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.